So this is the actual first run of 4 components of the Pro 1. That's because I'm still doing some testing. You can see some components fell off. That's no problem because I didn't use them. The machine is only picking the new components. I've done some tuning, some configuration of the software. I've created the output file from my electronic software Eagle for the Pro 1, and if I'm right, then this should be the orientation of the circuit board on the machine. But we'll see. I already set the orientation point of this point here in the software, so I hope all is okay. So I'm going to press run because I did some stepping tests already, but this is the first actual run of 4 components, so let's see what it does. And that's exactly what it should do, so let me just grab up the camera and let's see. So you can see there are some capacitors on the board. They're not stuck, of course, because there's nothing on the board, no solder paste or something. And as you can see, they're a bit moved to the left, but they're at the correct position. So there's one, there's one, there's one, and there's one. So the software works as it should, but I have to configure the orientation point a bit better. Not sure why it doesn't work yet, because I already did configure it. But this seems to work, so I can continue with more parts, and well, you'll see the results in the next video. Alright, so I couldn't resist. I did some calibration of the exact positioning. Needed to do some more in-depth study of the software because it's Chinese English, as I always say. But just did it. I found out which settings I needed to change. You can also see I added some adhesive so the parts will stay at the correct position. And although the camera is from the side, it should give you a good look at the positioning of the parts now. And I think this is just so awesome to see the pick and place machine from close. It's still only doing 100 nanofarad capacitors, so 4 parts only for this board. So let's give it a go, and I will show you the results in a second. So you must probably think, wow, that makes a lot of noise. Well, it's not that bad. Let me show you the result from the top. You can see that the parts are quite properly aligned. It's not too bad. I think it could have a small change in the y-axis, but only just a bit. And these parts will not give any problem because these will get centered when reflowing in the reflow oven when the solder paste is put on. But I think we need to create just a bit of offset, but we will find out when we're going to configure the chips. As you can see, they're not on yet. Well, that's for later. But I think this is just great to see the first results with the pick and place machine. So, thank you.